Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, I want to talk about how to become a successful blogger. If you're interested in starting a blog, or have already started one and are looking to improve, then this video is for you. First things first, let's talk about what a blogger is. Blogger is someone who creates and manages a blog, which is a website where they can share their thoughts, ideas, and experiences with the world through written content, photos, and videos. Now that we have a clear understanding of what a blogger is, let's dive into the steps you can take to become one. Choose your niche. Before you even start your blog, it's important to choose a niche or topic that you are passionate about and knowledgeable about. This will help you create content that you enjoy writing, and that your audience will find interesting and valuable. Set up your blog. Once you have chosen your niche, it's time to set up your blog. There are many platforms you can use, such as WordPress, Blogger, or Squarespace. Choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Make sure to also choose a catchy and memorable domain name that reflects your blog's topic. Create high-quality content. The key to a successful blog is creating high-quality content that your audience will love. This means putting in the time and effort to research and write well-written, informative, and engaging posts. It's also important to include visuals, such as photos and videos, to break up the text and make your content more visually appealing. Promote your blog. Now that you have a blog and some great content, it's time to promote it to the world. You can do this through social media, guest blogging, and collaborating with other bloggers or influencers in your niche. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and get your blog in front of as many people as possible. Monetize your blog. If you want to turn your blog into a full-time career, you will need to monetize it. There are many ways you can do this, such as through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or selling products or services. It's important to find the right monetization strategies that work for you and your audience. Stay consistent and persistent. Finally, the key to becoming a successful blogger is to stay consistent and persistent. This means regularly posting new content and promoting your blog. It also means not giving up when things get tough or when you don't see immediate results. Building a successful blog takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. I hope these tips have been helpful and have inspired you to start your own blog or take your existing blog to the next level. Remember to choose a niche you're passionate about, create high-quality content, promote your blog, monetize it, and stay consistent and persistent. With hard work and dedication, you can become a successful blogger. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on blogging and entrepreneurship.